Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create Shopify shipping rules by region. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so the very first thing that you are going to be doing is head over to your settings, bottom left side. From there you are going to be choosing, like for example, shipping and delivery. Apparently once you do that, you can see we have create a new profile option. Click onto that, and from here you can literally set up everything: zones, region, every rule, whatever you would like to set. You can see the zones and everything, and markets as well. And this is going to be customizing the type of deliveries and rules that you have for specific product and everything for different customers. So yeah, of course it depends. If a customer is from a different or a far place, he's gonna having a greater number of shipping rates compared to the person who is maybe in the same region. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.